Hello traders, welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please like, subscribe by click the button and share this video with your friends. Your support can inspire me to make more videos to help you all. Thank you. Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to place some trade with Compound Strategy. I'll start with $20. You can see some strong sellers entry, and this is a buyer's area. So let's complete this candle so that I can place trade. Okay, you can see some buyer's entry here also. I saw some rejection there. Okay, okay, some buyer's entry, but oh shit, it's very late entry because of fast momentum. But still, I'm expecting I'll get this trade as a winning trade. I'm confident about this because buyer's area is here, and the candle got rejection from buyer's area, and candle close at the seller's area. So I'm expecting that I'll get winning trade this. Let's wait for the result. Yeah, this is the perfect area to close the candle. Though now is late night, market momentum is not that much good, but I'm trying. Okay, 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 okay. This breakout candle, and I'm expecting this candle will be a retracement candle, and it's supposed to close in this area. See this area. So and though bearish momentum is started, but due to this candle the momentum losses actually his strength. So I'm expecting this will be at least small bullish candle. Okay, okay, still 15 seconds. Okay, I got, yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm, oh shit, again late entry. See now market behavior is not good actually, because very fast momentum. My trade place uh, here. I supposed to place here. Anyway, if I win this trade, I'll stop trading for today. Okay. Or if I got good chance, I'll place on more trade. See, this is the result. Very fast. Okay, I have placed still on more trade because of this very strong candle, and strong candle means that next candle will be a bearish candle, though this is an uptrend, but due to this momentum that trend is not that much strong. So I am expecting that uh, I'll win this trade, if, and still I'm very much confident because of this candle. Because of this candle, that next candle supposed to be red candle. If I win this trade, I will stop trading. Okay, 2 seconds. Okay, I have won this trade. So total I place 4 trade here. See, this is my first trade. Because I saw some rejection from buyers. Though this is an uptrend, but the trend momentum is uh, getting weaker, like uh, some sellers entry, and again sellers entry, and buyer is here and candle close at the sellers area. That's what I place lower option. And though this is a late entry because of that fast momentum. Okay, and this is my second trade. So I place here higher option because this is a buyer's area. See some rejection from buyers, some rejection, and this candle also has some rejection on lower part. Though this is a breakout candlestick, uh, but on the candle has lower rejection, and the momentum actually became weaker because of this candle. So I place higher option. So I got win. I won this trade, and this is my third trade. Actually, here supposed to be a small bullish candle, but instead of a small bullish candle, I saw that candle close at the buyer's area, and uh, it's can consider as a strong candle because lawyer has a rejection, strong rejection. So that I thought market will be bullish, and still I place here because of the fast momentum. Then this is my fourth and last trade. This is my actually luck. See, uh, normally this kind of candle reverse the trend at least for 1 minute. And main thing is, though this is a strong momentum, sorry, this is an uptrend, but momentum is not that much strong because lot of sellers entry. Okay, there's the reason. There's the one reason. Another reason is uh, very strong candle close at the sellers area. See here, you can see some sellers. So this kind of candle normally, if the candle close here exactly at the point, then the next candle will be at least 50%, like until here. Okay, so okay, that's the reason I place here sell option, and 80% time the next candle will be a bearish candle. Okay, if the candle close above here or somewhere like that, or if the if the market touch here by 3 or 4 candle, then it may break directly to the level. Okay, so I got huge profit. Actually, I started with $20, and I got to $31. So $210 profit. So I think this is enough for me for today. Thank you so much for watching the video.